In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell on BloFin. Now to do this, there's a few different ways. First, of course, you want to go to your dashboard and sign into your account. And the most basic way to sell is going to be to go to Buy Crypto, top left, and to click on Buy and Sell. Now over here, you want to click on the Sell tab. And as you can see, currently for me, it's actually unavailable, which means they're likely, of course, doing some updates or something like that. But in your case, likely it's going to be available, or if it's not, it's going to come back up in a few maybe like minutes or a few hours, so we can then come back and check it out. Now from here, how this works, it's super simple to understand. You want to pick which crypto you want to spend. So this is the crypto you're actually selling. I have USDT over here. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to, for example, type in like 100, and then here you can select what you want to receive. You have USD, euros, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, GBP, etc. There's a bunch of different ones, and here it's going to show how much you'll receive. Now you must have some active balance on your account to be able to see the amount over here. Okay, I don't, so that's why I'm not seeing it. But if you do, you'll see how much you can spend, and here it's going to say how much you have and then how much you can receive. Then you can see the price down here you'll get, and of course here you'll see your supported payment methods. Depending on your region, it may vary, so you'll be able to pick one you want, click on it, you'll be able to verify it, and then just click on sell now, and you'll be good to go. But then there's also other ways of selling, which is inside trading. So you can go to spot and you can sell in there, or futures as well. I'm going to go to demo trading because it's actually the same way. It's the same platform, just a different thing, but it looks the exact same. So if you want to sell crypto while trading in BloFin, you want to go and first open any trading, so futures, spot, whatever you're trading. And here you can go to whatever, pick what you want to sell. I'm going to go to Bitcoin USDT, which is kind of the standard. And then from here on the right, you can see the trade tab where you can switch over to sell. And then from here, select the sell type, limit, market, or any of these over here. Type in the price as well as your limit amount. If you, of course, are doing a limit order, click on the sell button over here. And that's really all you have to do to sell on BloFin. You could also do it here on the chart directly. So for example, if you do 0.001 like that, I'm going to click on the sell button, confirm, and if you do have any of that crypto, you've successfully placed your order and essentially sold. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.